Hi, everyone. So I'll introduce myself. I'm Bo, based in Sydney. I'm a solution architect in marketing and consulting space. I stepped into blockchain from early this year. Jake, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, Jake. Yes. Hi, I'm Jake, and I'm a mobile developer, lead mobile developer. And I stepped into the blockchain area, I think it's last year, end of last year. So I start doing some investigation on the blockchain, something like the private key stuff, so wallet stuff, and then I pair with board on the different projects and work on wallet and the apps and something like smart contract tools, blah blah. Yeah. Not really. Yeah, so I think maybe I started. I think I know Bo, I think about half a year ago, might be more than that. And then we start doing some small project together, and then we just do more and more project together. So, yeah. Because I'm located
we meet in blockchain developer communities like WeChat. There's a WeChat developer group in Australia. So we met in the WeChat group. And also we met other people in the meetup. So and we like to work with each other, on projects. So that's how we know each other. Yeah, just half a year. Yeah, so I created that name a couple of years ago. I live in a suburb called Rosebery. I'm now building apps, so that's why I come up with the name Appbery. So it's it's every single app is like a berry in the forest. Yeah. So just the name I come up with a couple of years ago.
I like that name actually. Berry grow very, very fast. Yeah.
Yeah, actually I start my experience with blockchain early this year. I developed my own trading bot on Binance. So it was very profitable until the market crashes and everyone dumping the coins. So that's my first experience. It's not really programming in blockchain. It's actually trading bots. I think like everyone else, a lot of people get involved into blockchain because the cryptocurrency. And after that crash, and I think I'm from a software developer background. I want to do something. I want to add value to the blockchain community. So I start to learn, the basic blockchain technologies. I start with, I participate in different developer community. Jake?
Yes. So, back in 2012, I actually took a course from Stanford University on Coursera. And then the teacher asked us to actually create a website to receive Bitcoins. And then I created a website and then put my address there. But of course, I didn't receive any. And the teacher said they were going to send us $1 worth Bitcoin, but he didn't. So that's why I'm not rich now, but it was fun.
I learned about the QTUM Hackathon via dApp review community. So I joined that WeChat group. There's a lot of very friendly developers in that WeChat group, and the founder of that review is Vincent Yu. So big thank you to Vincent Yu who introduced us to QTUM Hackathon.
Yes, it's same to me. Yeah.
I would say it's QTUM developer community is very friendly, and we always find people with similar questions, people helping each other in this community. That's the good thing I like about it. And the libraries, the repositories provided by QTUM team are quite powerful. It allows us to build the solution on QTUM blockchain. And during the hackathon process, QTUM team is super helpful and supportive, when we have technical questions. So we really appreciate QTUM team's help, and I want to say a big thank you to a couple of people, including Natalie Wenbin, Yan Xuan, Jun Chen, Codeface, and Howard Yeh.
Yeah, I think content team is very supportive. And then every time we find an issue, and then we just report it, and then we get response very quickly.
We got results. Yeah, we got results pretty quickly. That allow us to continue to build, to build our products. Do you want to talk about that, Jake?
Yeah, sometimes we found out the documentation and it's not very well documented. So yeah, and missing some small pieces. But when we ask for help, and we always guide to the right direction. So that's good.
Yeah, like as a developer, I love to see more local technical meetups. I think that's important for developers to meet together to discuss about what product they're building. Online community is great, but sometimes you just don't have that feeling, belong to a family. So I encourage more technical meetup in each country for content community. I'm happy to help to host the ones based in Sydney. To be honest, and I encourage more discussion in the community. There's a content forum, but I find it's not very active. So I'm happy with the forum or Discord or Slack, as long as it's active community. I think I will will definitely enjoy. Everyone will enjoy that community. Yep. Jake, do you want to talk about that? Or?
Yeah, so why not? So Content Light just like a tool set to help the developer to develop the apps on the content blockchain. So it's similar to the MetaMask, but on top of that, we not only do the extension, we also do a library to help the user or the developers to develop their apps easily. So, and also we define something like API, and hopefully they can support future development even for mobile wallets. Yeah, that's our project. Yeah, so at the very beginning, you go ahead,
sorry.
please.
Yeah, so basically we first, when we enter into Quantum Hackson, we want to develop a game, basically a dApp, but we find there's no tools, there's no Chrome extension allow you to do that. We know there's another Chrome extension, it's called Crypto, but it's in development phase when we enter the hackathon. So we think we want to develop a tool for this hackathon, so just help other developers and users to use web-based apps. So that's the motivation of our project. I think we're not developing a dApp, we're developing a tool set. So we try to make the tool set user-friendly in terms of the user experience and interface. We have spent a lot of time to make sure our JavaScript library is easy to use, it's wrapped properly. So if the developer doesn't enjoy using your library, then they won't build dApps on content blockchain. So we are developing our product from a user as well as a developer perspective. So that allows us to build most of the features we think is going to improve the user experience for these products. I think that's make us unique from other projects. The other products are fantastic. Other teams are also excellent in this hackathon. So next phase, we plan to polish. First, we need to polish this product. So we encourage all the developers to use this tool and submit any issues. Help us, give us honest opinions and suggestions. We love to hear from you. So that will allow us to keep improving these products. We also plan to develop the mobile version of the wallet on iOS and Android. So the mobile users can access the same dApp simultaneously. The JavaScript library will be the same. So there shouldn't be any change to the JavaScript code.
Yes, so I think content can help us to define some scopes for the future product. So, and also it's, well, maybe we can help us to promote the project a little bit as an open source project, and then attract more developer to use our product, and then they can actually find the issue, and then they can submit the issue or pull request to us, and then we can improve the product when they're using it. Yeah.
We also have ideas about, for example, sidechain. We are looking into sidechain solution. We want to build like scalable blockchain to help the, like, for example, content root chain to be able to scale. But that's just an idea. So maybe we can talk about it and see if we can help in this ecosystem. We would like to see more dApps built on content blockchain, like, you know, CryptoKitties. I love CryptoKitties. Usenet. So we try our best to support it, you know, by polishing this tool, and love to meet everyone in local meetup and community activities. Let's build together on content.
Oh, I think it's similar thing. So I could like to actually have more apps on content blockchain, and then to help the content holders to use their token. And yeah, so make content more useful.